Hello, welcome to Mech Robo. In this video, we will see how to make automatic cutoff charger. This charger cut off automatically with respect to battery and we can charge battery up to 18 volt. In this video, we will check it by charging 7.4 lithium ion battery. Let's get started. Firstly, take a piece of cardboard and draw this circuit diagram. I will put down this diagram in the description below and make hole on it with the help of a screwdriver. And then start assembling all the components in the cardboard carefully. After assembling all the components in the cardboard, you have to solder it properly and carefully. Working of this circuit is very simple. This has two parts. Half part is for converting 220 AC to DC and other half part for cut off the DC supply when battery is charged.